For the Chinese competition, I've chose to recite the 月下读者 by 100. It's not that long, but it has a lot of meaning behind it. I learned a lot about Chinese culture. I would definitely come back to China in the future.
I really had a great time making the dumplings. I also had a really wonderful time just being able to be with the culture and the kids. And I felt like if any child from studying abroad from the US into China would be lucky to experience that. When we do these foreign exchanges, it creates this trajectory within our youth to help foster tighter relationships between China and America.
Develop those friendships. The idea, the overarching idea of this whole thing is great, you know. And 40 years later, here you are, having those same great relationships of building understanding. Is that you're trying to create that same experience with these students.